The city of Bath is beautiful, principally because of one big idea: Georgian architecture. These 18th century honey-coloured buildings have helped to make the city a protected World Heritage Site. Rising to those monumental challenges is our next long-listed house, Duncen Cottage. A Grade 2 listed 1790s building with a brand spanking new 21st century extension. On the ground floor is a kitchen and dining room that opens out onto an internal courtyard. There are 2 studies as well as a living space that connects onto the new extension. And on the first floor are 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The owner is Hilary, who bought this epic restoration project with her husband, Richard. Oh, look at that. Hello.
Hi.
Hilary. How are you?
Very well.
Nice house.
Thank
Beautiful
you.
place. But before Hilary and Richard could start work on site, there was a tragedy. Richard passed away in 2010, leaving Hilary facing the project alone. Inside, what were a series of dark rooms have been knocked through to make bright open spaces that flow easily from one to another. The historic features here, from the elegant sash windows to the beautiful Georgian staircase, have all been cherished and polished to their former glory. While the kitchen has been revamped for the 21st century. Oh, wow. This is, on the other hand, what you'd call a strong modern intervention. The judges praised Duncen Cottage for transforming an 18th century listed home to meet 21st century requirements. The architect, James Grayley, and his team delved into the history of the house and discovered that it was built by a well-known 18th century architect, John Palmer. Palmer's 18th century drawings convinced Bath Council to let Hilary build her modern extension. A historic plan carefully reinterpreted for the 21st century. And now, across this threshold into this, there's a nice simple clarity about this. Change of level, 2 different sizes of windows. What would Richard have made of this, do you think?
I think he would have loved this space. I often wonder what he would think about it, but I'm sure he'd love it.
To connect the modern extension to its historic setting, only one material would do: Bath stone. And the end result speaks for itself. A house built across the centuries, harmonized by one material. This project helps move the city forward into the 21st century. What this building does is what great architecture does at any scale. It reorganizes, repurposes, and revitalizes an existing place. And it does that with tremendous conviction and clarity and determination. Now, this project is important. And it's quiet.